Hi friends, I'm glad I could be with you today and taking this video since we can't be together in class. I hope you are all doing well and you're safe at home with your family. I do miss you all. I hope you're practicing your English. So I made a little video today. We're going to be reading a book called Changing Weather. Before we left school, we were learning about weather. We actually were learning what's wild about weather. Why does weather matter and how does weather change? Some vocabulary that's going to help us with our reading is right here. The words inside, outside, weather, sunny, and rainy. These are words that we learned, but let's look at them again. Inside, that's the inner part of something. So this cat is inside the bag. Outside, that is when something is outside. So this ball is outside the box. Weather, those are the conditions outside at a particular place and time, such as clouds or sun, rain, and snow. Sunny, what a fun day that would be. We all know sunny, it's when the yellow sun is in the sky, shining bright. Rainy, lots of drops of water. Okay, so when we're done with our book, we're going to take a look at a top-down web that goes over the weather, sunny and rainy, and we're also going to do a little writing with it. So let's get right into our book, Changing Weather, by Margie Burton, Kathy French, and Tammy Jones. Let's take a picture walk first. I like to take a picture walk so I can see what I'm going to be learning about. And I say learning about in this case because this book is nonfiction. I can see that this book is nonfiction based on this. This is a photograph of a real girl. So I'm going to learn real information in here. I predict I'm going to learn about changing weather. Not just changing weather because of the title, but I looked at the pictures and I noticed there are things like snow and rain and wind. And I think that we're going to be learning about things that people do when the weather changes. So let's enjoy our book, Changing Weather. Look at me. Here I am playing in the snow. I like to play in the snow. I like to make a snowman. Look at me. Here I am playing outside. I like to play in the sun. What is this girl doing? She's sliding down the slide. Whee! Look at us. Here we are playing in the rain. We like to play in the rain. We put on our raincoats and play in the rain. Look at me. Here I am playing outside. I like to play outside when it is windy. I can fly my kite. It is very hard to see when there is fog. Can't really see. And here I am looking outside. I can see big dark clouds. I can see lightning too. This girl is inside. What do you think is happening? What do you infer? What does your schema tell you about this picture? I stay inside and play when a big storm comes. I like to see the storm, but I do not like to play in the storm. I like all kinds of weather. So in this book, we saw weather about snow, rain, sun, and wind. Now let's take a moment and kind of look at our little wall here. So we're going to do a top-down web. We chose sunny weather and rainy weather. I put what I like to do in sunny weather. I like to go to the beach. I also like to ride my bike. In rainy weather, I like to watch a movie and play a board game with my family. What are some things you like to do when it's sunny? What are some things that you like to do when it's rainy? Once you're done filling in some of these, let's turn this into our writing. So over here, what I did was took go to the beach. So right here, I put that I like to go to the beach. I would like you to write on a day. What kind of day? A sunny day or a rainy day? On a day, I took my go to the beach and I put it right in here. I also took that from the weather that was sunny. On a sunny day, I can go to the beach. I drew out the picture of me at the beach. That is me right there reading a book with my son who built a sandcastle. I also labeled it so you see the ocean, the sun, the clouds, the beach umbrella. That's me, the book, my son, and my sandcastle. I would like all of you to make a sentence from the web, the top-down web, and label a picture. Now, for Miss Lope's friends, and even some of my friends, I have a challenge for you. Here's the challenge. Once you're done with this sentence, see if you can stretch that sentence the way we were working in school. Challenge, who and what? So, on a sunny day, I can go to the beach. With who? With my son. And do what? And build a sandcastle. So for Miss Lope's friends and some of my friends, if you're up for the challenge, I would like you to really try this one and see how many ideas you can come up with on things that you like to do in sunny weather and things that you like to do in rainy weather. I'll continue to add little videos and little read-alouds and do little fun English activities. And I can't wait to see all of the work that you guys do. Until we see each other again, and I look forward to the work.